Welcome to our channel, where we share yoga tips and practices to help you improve your overall health and well-being. In today's video, we will be focusing on beginner asanas, or poses, that can help increase your flexibility. These asanas are suitable for those who are new to yoga or are looking to improve their flexibility in a gentle and safe way. Child's pose. This asana is a great way to stretch out the lower back, hips, and thighs. Start by kneeling on the ground with your knees hip-width apart and your big toes touching. Bring your hips back towards your heels and stretch your arms out in front of you, resting your chest on your thighs. Hold this pose for 30 seconds to a minute, breathing deeply. Downward facing dog. This asana is a classic yoga pose that stretches out the entire backside of the body. Start in a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart and your feet hip-width apart. Lift your hips up and back, creating an inverted V shape with your body. Press your hands firmly into the ground and straighten your legs as much as you can, keeping a slight bend in your knees. Hold this pose for 30 seconds to a minute, breathing deeply. Cat-cow pose. This asana is a great way to stretch out the spine and improve flexibility in the back. Start on all fours with your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Inhale as you drop your belly towards the ground and lift your head and tailbone up, creating a slight arch in your back. This is the cow pose. Exhale as you round your spine up towards the ceiling and tuck your chin into your chest, creating a C shape with your back. This is the cat pose. Alternate between the two poses, moving with your breath for a few rounds. Pigeon pose. This asana is a great stretch for the hips and thighs. Start in a downward facing dog position. Bring your right knee towards your right wrist and slide your right foot towards the left side of your mat. Lower your left leg down and stretch your right leg back. Walk your hands forward and lower your chest down to the ground, stretching out your left leg behind you. Hold this pose for 30 seconds to a minute, then switch sides. Seated forward fold. This asana is a great way to stretch out the hamstrings and lower back. Start by sitting on the ground with your legs straight in front of you. Reach your arms up towards the ceiling and then hinge forward at your hips, reaching for your toes. If you can't quite reach your toes, that's okay. You can use a strap or a towel to help you get a deeper stretch. Hold this pose for 30 seconds to a minute, breathing deeply. We hope these beginner asanas have helped you increase your flexibility and feel more relaxed. Remember to listen to your body and only go as far as you feel comfortable. As always, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise routine. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.